Yeah, my people, I came with another banger for you once again. Now, let me see show you. This is live trading. Don't forget, I cut up the signal, so I want to just display it to you guys so you can understand the meaning of what I've been always saying about market structure, how you can follow up with the trend. Now, looking at this chart, this is USDJPY. I got the signal this afternoon and it's live. I'm into the trade already. Now, if you carefully look at this chart, you discover that this market has been a bearish market for a while now with a series of lower highs and lower lows. This is it. Let me show you guys. This is it. This is it. These are the lower lows, lower highs. You understand? So now there was a major resistance here which the market could not break above, but rather it went up to retest this same particular. It went up to retest. It went up to retest this resistance, this support that was broken and turned to resistance here, but it could not retest it directly. It created its own resistance along the line within this point. Now, this is on 4 hour time frame. So when you go on 4 hour time frame, you can see it clearly. You discover that there was a resistance here that turns to support. The market broke it, go up, came back, retest it, now it's going up. Now let's go on 1 hour time frame. But mind you, don't forget this market is a downtrend. But I'm going against the trend of the market because as a day trader, sometimes there are some certain movement in the market whereby you can just get like 100 pips within the market and then you're done for the day. You understand? So from here, when you go on 1 hour time frame, you discover that. Let me show you one something on 4 hour time frame, on daily time frame. So on this daily time frame, now my analysis, my focus, if I can tell you what I should predict in this market, my aim is to wait for this market to come back to this zone, give me a double top, and then boom, create a lower low for me. You understand? That's my focus on this market, on this particular trend line. And then you can see the market is at the trend line and my vertical line here is giving me, my horizontal line here is giving me a conjunction line just like this point and this point. So now my aim is to wait for this market to pull off from this joint. You understand? Then create another lower high within this area for me. You understand? So definitely this market have to push up because of this particular zone to give me another zone for a sell, another opportunity for a sell. So that is the reason why I'm buying the market within this area. So now when you go on 4 hour time frame, let me leave the line for you so you can understand what I mean from that place. From here, market need to come back, create that same conjunction zone, this particular zones for me. So when you go on 4 hour time frame, this is 4 hour time frame, you discover that market has been coming up, but at the same time it's creating some kind of resistance and support, resistance turning to support as well because it has to push up so it can come to this particular resistance and then sell down. So now if you go on 1 hour time frame, you will discover that at the same time this market was ranging within this area, so it created series of reaches. You understand? You can see. But within this point, I also got about 110 pips within this area. Though I could not display it out to you guys because I was really busy on that same day. I could not show you the reason why I got this entry within this area. But now when you come to this place, you discover that the market created resistance near that. that turn and then become a support within this point. So now what am I saying? My target is wait for this market to come back to this trend line at that conjunction zone, you understand, and give me a sell opportunity. So now you discover that when you go on 15-minute time frame, this is 15-minute time frame. So on the 15-minute time frame, the market came back and then created, it has given me an order block on this particular support here. You understand? So this is where I got this signal from this point, because I believe that this market will be pushing up. So definitely when the market came at the support here, I have to buy. So what do I have to do within this point? I have to look for opportunity to take this buy along this area. So now let me show you something on 15-minute time frame, on 5-minute time frame. When you go on 5-minute time frame, you discover that the market created W pattern. I always say to you, this is a W pattern or double bottom. You can see the market created it here at this support level, and that is the reason why the market is pushing up to this point. But within the line, regardless of how noisy the market is, and then I'm also going against the trend of the market, but I could not mind. I just got about 74 pips within this area, and then definitely this 74 pips must hit before the market will get to its point. Now when you use your moving average, you discover that this particular point, this is where the market has given me an opportunity to buy from this point, on this place, you understand, targeting the next high. This is the next high. I want to take my profit. Definitely, if you want to stay long into the market, but because I'm against the trend of the market, so that is the reason why I got 74 pips and then I'm okay for the day. But if you want to stay long into the market, you can extend your take profit around this particular area, but I'm okay with this zone. Once I get my profit within this zone, I'm out of the market. That's all. I'm done for the day. Thank you guys. I hope you like my description or you even understand either. If you don't understand, please don't mind, don't hesitate to drop a question from the comment section. I will respond to you as much as I can. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be dropping more content here for you to understand in case you don't understand anything, to guide you through your process of this forex career. Forex is not an easy process. For you that choose to be a forex trader, just know that you're capable of doing a lifetime course, because forex trading is like a lifetime course. Because to me, I do refer to it like that, because you can be hitting your take profit back to back, you understand, hoping maybe you're good at what you're doing. It's quite accepted that you're good at doing it, you understand, because forex is more about trusting your process, you understand. When you trust it, you do it over and over again. But the day your the day that particular process you've been using hit your stop loss, then that particular day you have to go back and then learn. You understand? That is the reason why I said forex is a continued process, it's a lifetime course, you understand. So please, if you're willing to be a forex trader, just know that you're going to take a lifetime course. That is a lifetime course for you. You don't have to be weak. Trading is not for the weak, you understand. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.